Welcome back. So I completed the other guidelines along the back wall, and the next step is to actually draw the rectangles that will pull up and be the brick walls. Just to make things a little clearer, I will remove the image from the drawing at this stage. So you can see the guidelines there, and I'm going to use the line tool. You could use, I'll use both to show you. You could use the rectangle tool. Now, the innermost group of lines, so it's this point here. Make sure that when you hover, you do see it tell you that it's an intersection like that. Zoom out, go down to the other end, make sure you see that point there, so it snaps into that corner. Okay, so we zoom out and we just literally go around the perimeter. Make sure you get the inside group of lines. Okay, now some people will find this technique a little easier and others may not. Alright, so that's the innermost group. Now we don't actually need that surface, so I'm going to click on the surface and just hit delete. So all we have is the line, the perimeter like that. Okay, now here's the alternative. You can use the rectangle. Alright, we'll start now. It's the next pair of lines, so it's going to be this line and this line, so they intersect here. And the beauty of doing this one is you just go to the opposite corner and pick the same group of lines over here. And there they are like that. Now once again, we don't need this surface, so I'm going to get rid of it. Alright, now you will complete the other two. In fact, I might go ahead and just do that, and then we'll conclude this video and we'll go from there. So there we go, from that corner over to this one here. Now if you don't have a object or a building that is a rectangle, then obviously you won't be able to just do a plain rectangle like that. You will have to use a line tool to trace around maybe features of the building where it's not quite a straight line. Okay, but either way, use either the pen and draw individual lines, or you can use the rectangle tool if you have a simple outline like I do. So there's all of the lines that will be for our brickwork put in place there. Okay, when you hover around and you go to a ground, like looking along the ground like that, they should all be coplanar, meaning they're all on the ground plane. If they're not, then you have a problem and you'll need to fix that. Alright, now in the next video I will show you how to start pulling these walls up. We're going to take a few steps in doing that so that we get less work to do at the end of the drawing. Okay, so I've put the floor plan back in there so it's visible, and then I'll see you guys in the next video to go from there.